Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. I'm so excited. I just got this in the mail just now and we pre-ordered it so it would come here right on the launch date. I wanted to get this video up as soon as possible. I just want to do an unboxing because I've actually never done an iPhone unboxing on my channel and I thought it would be fun. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. And without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So this is the packaging, of course. It's like the normal iPhone packaging except it's black this time, which I was like a little surprised. I did get the 512GB gold iPhone 11 Pro Max. The names are getting so confusing. The iPhone 10X, I don't know, 10S, I don't even know. Like I'm XS, I'm like so confused, but whatever. So, if I remember correctly, this just comes off so easy. I would lay it down on a flat surface, but I actually don't have a good flat surface with good lighting, so I'm just gonna like hold it up like this. I'm so excited. All right, so here we go. Oh wow, so it actually comes face down. I feel like usually it comes face up with the screen up, but it's okay. I already see the 3-camera situation. Before I continue, like I'm not a techie person. This is not a techie video. If that's the kind of video you are looking for, you are in the wrong video. I'm just doing an unboxing, a setup, and just kind of showing you. So I took the phone out, I laid it down on the table right in front of me, and just kind of see what else is in here. Here's the like instruction manuals and the little decals that they give you. They also come with earpods. Yeah, they're called earpods. You know, in one of my last videos, like when they first came out with this whole lightning to earphone situation, someone was like, what are earphones? And I'm like, that's what they call them. Like they're earpods apparently. But they come with another set of earpods that have a lightning connector that go directly into the phone. I don't use those. I have Bluetooth headphones, like anyway. And it has a different charger this time, so this is interesting. This is a USB-C to lightning cable cord and a bigger block. Apparently this is the faster charger. I believe this only comes with the iPhone 11 Pro, I think. But I could be wrong. It might come with the iPhone 11 as well, but I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and just undo these stickers. I'm so excited. And honestly, knowing me, I'm very clumsy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the case that I bought for it on right now. But before I do that, I do want to talk about the material. It is a different material. I do have my iPhone 10s Max here. Let me take it out of its case so you guys can see the difference. God, I'm scared I'm gonna break this. It's really dirty, so don't judge me. There is a clear difference on which is which. This is like more reflective. This is more matte. It definitely feels different as well. I do know that they changed the material that the phones are made with, so they are less shatter resistant and crack resistant and all that. Honestly, I'm such a simple person when it comes to cases. I did buy this one from Amazon. It's a Spigen clear iPhone 11 Pro Max case, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. I really like clear cases more than any other kind of cases. That's just me, because I like to be able to see the actual phone. And it seems like it's gonna be protective enough, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, and let's turn it on. Still loading, and I'm gonna have to like put in my information and all that, so it might be a while before I get this all set up. Quick start. Bring it nearby. So it's gonna take, hopefully, what I have. Yep, I'm gonna set up my new iPhone. All right, it's working. Passcode of your other phone. Cool. Setting up your iPhone. This could be a while. So I'm assuming that my old phone is no longer gonna work, so hopefully nobody tries to call me. Confirm your phone number. Activating your iPhone. So now we're at the data and privacy. We're gonna do the Face ID stuff. I never was good at this. I feel stupid doing this, to be honest. Second Face ID is done. Gosh, this is a long process. And probably to transfer all my stuff from that phone to this phone is gonna take like hours. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. That's confusing. Both phones were going off. It's amazing. Light or dark? Oh, that's cool. My husband's gonna love the dark. I want the light though, because I feel like dark is no. Okay, so now it's gonna wait for the backup to complete. When it's done, I will be back with more on the phone. Okay, so we are all set up. It's about like half an hour later maybe. It did take a while for the iCloud to get all like back onto my phone and everything to get updated. There's still a lot of apps that are loading, and I'm gonna screen record right now so you guys can see kind of what's going on, because there are a few things that are different in this new iOS update as well. There are a few things that I noticed about the phone, that like the phone itself, that are a little different. I already tested out the camera. I took a selfie on it. When I first saw it, I thought it was so ugly, like the three things, but I actually really like the outline. If you look really closely, the detailing on it is so pretty. Let's see if you guys are gonna be able to see. And by the way, this will shoot now in better quality than my camera does, so I might be recording videos on my phone instead of my camera. I don't know. Let us screen record. As you can see, a lot of my apps are still loading, and I'm gonna do like an in-depth what's on my iPhone, like another video for sure. But right now I noticed that they changed the Find My iPhone thing. Actually, 2 apps become 1. Allow while using the app. Location updates. Well, that's cool. So I can find like my people. Oh, that would be really awesome to be able to find. I'm gonna have to blur that out, by the way, because I showed my address, but I'm gonna be able to stalk my niece and stuff. But yeah, that's really cool. And I did notice that the volume is different. I'm pretty sure that that is an iOS update, not like a phone thing. But again, the camera quality, let's see. So look at that. And now the selfie, like the front facing camera, is going to be better quality as well, and I'm really excited for that. Not that I'm going to take my up close makeup pictures for Instagram through the selfie camera anyway, because I usually do take it through my camera, but it just gets a better angle from there, whereas if I'm holding it, it's a little more difficult to deal with. Seems like there's also some new stuff in photos. Your photos brought to life. See your best moments from every day, month, and year. All your photos on any scale, pinch to zoom. Okay. Oh, cool. You can photo edit, so that'll be interesting. So here is the front-facing camera selfie that I got. My lighting is not that yellow, so it's really interesting how it's coming out. But honestly, the comparison between this phone and that phone, like the old iPhones, I'm sure is there. Like the quality is there. You see, if you zoom in, you can see all my pores, which, you know, could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing. But yeah, none of my photos have gotten here yet, so hopefully they get transferred soon. But I'm pretty excited to continue testing this out. There's this shortcuts app. So what's new in shortcuts? Gallery get suggested shortcuts from your favorite app. Siri. Okay, so you can create shortcuts. I'm gonna have to look into that and get back to you guys if that's an iOS update as well. And yeah, I'm excited to see how it charges with the fast charging block and the cable as well. So we'll see. I usually plug my phone into like a tower that has like a USB tower. So because I charge 2 phones, and sometimes I'll charge my iPad on there, or like my Apple Watch, things like that. Like everything goes in one place. But yeah, I don't know, man. I'm excited. I didn't think I would be this excited for this new iPhone. So yeah, I really like this phone so far. I didn't think there was going to be so much of a difference. Honestly, yeah, I do feel a difference in weight. There's a difference in the way it feels in my hand. It feels really similar. I know that it has a faster chip in it. I don't think that that's going to affect the weight too much, but stuff like that. Like, I'm not a techie person, so I don't really know like everything that there is to know about the techie stuff of this phone. One thing I will have to say is I wish I didn't have to use the case, because it does make it a lot bulkier, and I just wish I could like not be a klutz and not drop it everywhere, and it would probably be dead in like 2 minutes. I'm interested to see how the back scratches in comparison to this other phone, where it's a lot more glossy. And honestly, I hardly didn't have a case on this, but there was a phase where I didn't have a case on it because I wanted to be a rebel, and there are hardly any scratches on it. So as it was, this was pretty protective, and not protective, but it didn't get scratched as much. And I'm just interested to see how this works. I'm always also scared of the camera. Like, I've had a few of my friends that have cracked their cameras just when they drop it, and that scares me so much. And now that there's 3, I'm so scared of that. But I really am glad I went with the gold. I wanted to try the silver, but I always regret when I get like a different color. Like, I'm so used to getting the gold, and I think it does look really pretty. It looks like a matte version of this one, which whatever. I mean, I kind of do miss the like glossy effect, but I like the borders of this. It makes it look really like fancy. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I have to say. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the iPhone 11 Pro Max down below, and if I can answer them, I will. If not, then I'll do my research and try to help you guys. But I will do an in-depth like what's on my iPhone and like kind of a review kind of thing probably next week when I play with it a little bit more. And yeah, but yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!